Tired of having your crypto sitting on an exchange? Ready to move your assets to a secure, self-custody wallet or maybe another trading platform? If you've been wondering how to take your Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other coin from Coinbase and send it elsewhere, you're in the right place. It can seem intimidating, but transferring crypto from an exchange like Coinbase to an external wallet is a fundamental skill for any crypto holder. Today, we're going to walk through the exact, step-by-step process to safely and successfully transfer your crypto from Coinbase to another wallet. There are 5 simple steps, but each requires precision. Step 1. Locate your receiving address. First, go to the destination wallet or exchange where you want to send your crypto. You need to find the specific deposit or receiving address for the exact cryptocurrency you're sending. This is absolutely critical. For example, if you're sending Bitcoin, you need the Bitcoin receiving address. Sending to the wrong address or using the wrong network can mean losing your funds permanently. Copy this long string of numbers and letters, or the QR code, very carefully. Step 2. Initiate the transfer on Coinbase. Now, log into your Coinbase account. Look for the Send/Receive button, usually located on the dashboard. Select the Send option. Step 3. Input details and choose Asset. A pop-up or new page will appear. This is where you paste the receiving address you copied in Step 1. Double-check that you've selected the correct cryptocurrency to send. Then, enter the amount you wish to transfer. You can enter the amount in crypto terms, like 0.1 Bitcoin, or in your local currency equivalent. Step 4. Review and confirm. Before you hit send, review everything one last time. Seriously, take a moment. Check the asset type, the amount, and, most importantly, the receiving address. If you're sending a large amount for the first time, consider doing a small test transfer first. It's worth the extra network fee for the peace of mind. Coinbase will also show you the estimated network fee, which is charged by the blockchain, not by Coinbase itself. Once you're confident, confirm the transaction. You'll likely need to input your 2-factor authentication code for security. Step 5. Monitor and verify. Once you confirm, the transaction is initiated on the blockchain. The transfer time will vary based on the crypto and network congestion, but it usually only takes a few minutes. You can track the status in your Coinbase transaction history. Finally, refresh your destination wallet to ensure the funds have arrived. And there you have it, your crypto is now securely off the exchange. Knowing this process gives you true ownership and control over your digital assets. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.